Looking for a Ductless Mini Split Heat Pump contractor in Calgary? There's just one name to top your list: the experts at Alberta Indoor Comfort. The most important day of your Ductless Mini Split Heat Pump is the day it gets installed. Did you know most ductless system problems reported by consumers can be traced back to an improper Ductless Mini Split installation? Which is why the first and most important step for a Calgary homeowner is to make sure to hire the right ductless contractor. Ready for real comfort? Alberta Indoor Comfort leads the way as the top Ductless Mini Split contractor in Calgary. Get peace of mind with their ductless installation experts that will take care of 3 important steps. 1. They'll make sure to match the right unit to your needs. 2. They'll ensure a proper product placement. 3. They'll provide a professional installation. Enjoy year-round comfort with a Samsung Ductless Mini Split system because just one unit does it all. A ductless heat pump can both heat and cool. Samsung ductless heat pumps are reliable, ultra-functional, quiet in operation, and energy efficient. Exactly what every smart homeowner needs. Wondering if a Ductless Mini Split heat pump is right for you? Hire a contractor with credentials. Alberta Indoor Comfort is a Samsung approved contractor, Service Alberta certified, and BBB A+ rated. Call 403-230-2689.